Lot 179 is a 1967 Sunbeam Tiger Mk IA. The same power plant as the Cobra, a small block Ford V8, made into a 4-speed transmission, bolted into a very light, very nimble, and very attractive English body. The formula is quite straightforward, but it's extraordinarily potent, and they're great fun to drive. The 1967 Sunbeam Tiger Mk IA.
One of our favorite small cars of the evening, isn't it? We have a bit of a penchant towards Sunbeam Tigers, ladies and gentlemen. What should we say? We're going to start the bidding here on the little Sunbeam. What should we say? $50,000 to start? Let's open the bidding at $50,000, shall we? $50,000. Opening up at $50,000. There she comes up. The colors, $50,000. Thank you. 75. Cut to the chase. $75,000 I have already. Do I have 80? 80,000, thank you, 80,000, now 90 anyway, now 90 anyway now. I'm selling here at 80,000, do I have 90? $100,000 now, do I have 110? Do I have 110? At $100,000 and selling on my left at $100,000, ladies and gentlemen, for the Sunbeam Tiger at just $100,000. Do I have 110 anywhere now? Well, at $100,000 that I'm selling, it's no reserve here to be sold. It's going for the first time. 105, 105,000, absolutely worth a try. 105. 110, thank you. 110,000, 115 if you like. 115 if you like. We're at $110,000 then. Do I have 115? We're at $110,000, it's going for the first time. At $110,000, thank you. 115,000 on the telephone. 115, 120, 120. I got 115,000 bid on the telephone. Do I have 120? Well, 115, it's selling all the way. It's going for the first time. At $115,000, it's going for the second time. For the third and last, 120. Thank you. 120,000 on my left. Do I have 5 more, Shelby? I've got 120,000 and I'm selling on my left at just $120,000. It's going for the first time. At 125. 125. Thank you. 130 now. 130 now. At 125 a bid right here, the battle is on. At 125,000, then it's RJ's bidder, I think. Is it RJ's bidder?
Gentleman in the blue shirt.
Gentleman in the blue shirt at $125,000, going for the first time, going for the second time, selling for the third and last time at $125,000. Sold. Thank you. Sorry, Tom. 435. Where's your bidder's assistant? He's gone. You want to keep an eye on him. He's only 7. You can't just let him go to the bar by himself, you know.